future. Not much is certain about it, but one thing: change. It is omnipresent and everlasting. It is unpredictable and disproportionate, fearsome like a wildfire. History was made by those without fear and boundaries, those who turned their dreams into visions, and visions into the reality that we live today. Leonardo da Vinci, whose blueprints were so ahead of his time, they became physical representations of future telling. Galileo Galilei, who made unbelievable predictions about the stars and the universe. Thomas Edison, who predicted today's world through his invention of the light bulb. And just like these legends who built the world of today, a new breed of visionaries emerged. Satoshi Nakamoto, whose groundbreaking idea of Bitcoin reshaped our understanding of money. Hal Finney, who believed from the very beginning, making the first Bitcoin transaction and becoming a pioneer in cryptography. Nick Szabo, who envisioned a world where code is law and trust is embedded in the very fabric of our digital interactions. These modern-day pioneers have set the stage for the revolution of our time. We are here to witness the foundation of tomorrow, the proof of work for the future of Bitcoin in 2050. So, embrace the wildfire of change. Let it fuel your imagination and ignite your courage. For in the face of uncertainty, we become the architects of the future. Welcome to Bitcoin Amsterdam.